If you've ever hosted a fun indoor Korean barbecue or a bubbling hot pot night, you know the one major downside. Your curtains, couch, and hair end up smelling like grilled meat and spicy broth for the next 3 days. Traditional kitchen vents are great for the stove, but they don't help much when the cooking is happening right on your dining table or in a small RV. That is exactly where this portable range hood comes to the rescue. Think of it as a vacuum for smells. This desktop exhaust fan features strong suction designed to pull smoke, grease, and steam away before they can drift across the room. What makes this specific model a standout is the 9 included activated carbon filters. While other portable hoods might only give you 1 or 2, this kit ensures you're set for a long time, effectively trapping odors and purifying the air so you can enjoy your meal without the lingering afterscent. It's incredibly compact and finished in a sleek black, making it look right at home next to your tabletop grill or induction cooktop. Whether you're a foodie living in a studio apartment with poor ventilation, an RV enthusiast who wants to cook inside without the smoke alarm going off, or someone who just loves hosting indoor social cooking nights, this is the missing piece to your kitchen setup. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and honestly, your nose and your neighbors will thank you. Click the link below for the best price and keep your home smelling fresh after every meal.